What's up YouTube? Anything Billy here. On today's video we're going to be putting front brakes on the 2014 Kia Forte Koup. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do before you get started is you want to take the cap off the brake reservoir, put a towel over it. That way when you push in the pistons, the air has the easier way to escape, and if you overfill the brake reservoir, you've got a towel there to help absorb it. Tools you'll need for this job: you'll need a 14mm socket and ratchet, possibly a screwdriver, some type of piston compression tool, and no job is complete without the hammer. Pretty much a straightforward job. Like always, another easy one. Any troubles, I'll let you know. That simple. Driver's side done, move on to the passenger side. Here we are over here on the passenger side. Just like the driver's side, if I have any problems, I'll stop and address them. This bottom one's stuck. Yeah, this bottom one right here is stuck. See if we can see it any better. Now, yeah, we're good. I gotta get it out of here so I can put some lubrication on it. Wow, that won't move nowhere. Wow, it's really stuck. Gosh. You don't want to beat on it too much. It is stuck. Wow. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. I don't have very good lighting over here. But yeah, this is stuck. And it ain't coming out either. This thing quit moving. Stay. Wow. come out. Go find a socket big enough to put it on there. Alright, so this is an 18 millimeter. Hold it for it. If I get it to turn, maybe I can get it out now and get it cleaned up. Because the bottom one's got that piece of rubber on there, and it's what it is it's dry, and it won't let it come in and out. So you'll have to take it out and put some lubrication on it. That's what I'm trying to do. It just won't come out. Be careful. See? It gets to the point where it gets stuck. I don't understand. I get it to go in, but I can't get it to go out. Sorry guys, didn't mean to move you. It just ain't got no room to work. And for some odd reason I got a bad angle with this. Why ain't it coming out for? That is crazy. It's so crazy it ain't coming out. I don't understand. It's bends, but it just won't come out. It's like when it's got that piece of rubber on it. It's dry. And that's why it won't come out. Man, it's just stuck in there. We'll grab something else. So I went and got a power pliers and a chisel. Hopefully I can get this to come out. I can lubricate it. It just won't come out. Ah, I got it, yeah. See how black, come over here. See how black and nasty that is? So I'm gonna clean this up. I'm gonna put some new lubricated on it, and that should fix the problem. All right, I took it over there to the vat, sprayed it off with brake clean, put some more lubrication on it, and let's see if we can get it to, oh yeah, there we go. That's why you always check your slides before you put everything back together, just to make sure they're good. Now we can finish putting it all back together.
XPD 7497.
Alright. All thing left to do is put the wheels and tires on it and take it for a test drive. And the last thing you want to do before you take it on a test drive is make sure you put the brake cap reservoir back on there and make sure the brake fluid is full. Welcome back to another test drive. Getting ready to test drive this 2014 Kia. First thing you want to do after you get all good and washed up is you want to take and make sure you pump the brakes up. Make sure you got a good firm pedal before you back it out of the garage. Now that you got a good firm pedal, start it up and back it up. Make sure we buckle up for safety. This thing's been sitting since 10 o'clock this morning. Let it warm up just a little bit before we back her out. There we go. Take the e-brake off, and away we go. Kind of ease it out of the garage. I like to hit them a few times in the parking lot, so I know I've got brake pedal before I get out on the highway. Now, like always on the test drive, we want to listen to see if we can hear any squeaks, any grinding, see if we feel any vibrations, see any smoke, and make sure the tires are on there good. Yes, I said make sure the tires on there good, because you want to make sure you torque them to the right specs. Now this car has a vibration while you're sitting still, which has nothing to do with the brakes. And it is a little rainy today, so that means on the test drive we got to make sure we be a little bit more careful. So everything seems to be smooth, no vibrations. I don't hear any squeaking from the new hardware or anything like that. Now as I turn back on the road that the shop's on, I want to thank everybody for watching this video. If you like my videos, give me a thumbs up. I hope my videos are educational. And if you like my videos and want to see more brake jobs, please subscribe to the channel. I would appreciate it. So until next time, bye now.